facing issue to maintain your image among your work colleagues or at your workplace because you don't know how you can elevate your communication game among them. कि जो भी workplace पे लोग होते हैं वो क्या क्या phrases, क्या words use करते हैं, how you can sound more authentic among those business professionals or among your work colleagues, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 solid and practical tips that you can implement in your life, and definitely you can see changes as well. So the third and fourth tip especially, they are like very close to my heart. That is what I have been practicing as well. So don't miss that especially. And yeah, let's begin with the first tip for this video. So the number one tip is to expand your vocabulary. So what do I mean by this? Vocabulary का मतलब ये नहीं होता यार कि जो भी business English में phrases and everything जो भी use होता है, you just keep cramming those things और आप वो सब चीजें याद करते जाते हैं. Because just think of practically, ऐसे तो कितने जागरण हैं, वट एवर इज बीइंग यूज्ड इन द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड, कितना आप याद रखोगे, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू कि आप उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करो जिस फील्ड में फॉर नाउ आप काम कर रहे हो और यू वांट टू वर्क इन दैट फील्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप फाइनेंस सेक्टर में हो, राइट, सो यू मस्ट नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ROI. बिकॉज अगर मान लो कोई मीटिंग चल रही है एंड समवन इज सेइंग, ओह दिस इज ROI और समथिंग फॉर आवर प्रोजेक्ट और एनीथिंग, राइट? सो एंड यू लाइक, क्या अच्छा, कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन मी व्हाट इज ROI? And that person is definitely gonna judge you there because you're working in that sector and you don't know what's the meaning to that. That's a bit absurd, right? So सबसे पहले just focus on building vocabulary around the field or the sector you wanna work in or you are already working in. That is how you need to build your vocabulary, and then like focus on other fields as well if you feel confident about your own sector for now. I hope this makes sense for you. And let's move to the second tip. And the number 2 tip is that practice in real life scenarios. So what do I mean by that? For example, बहुत common चीज़ है, right? हमें अगर business presentations देनी होती हैं और in a meeting you have to speak on something, you know that beforehand कि मुझे कल जाके ये चीज़ करनी है वहाँ पे. And if you just go on spot and you deliver it and वो चीज़ सही नहीं जाएगी because you haven't practiced it enough, right? If you are confident enough obviously कि आप जाके उसी दिन वहाँ पे बोल सकते हो, it's very good for you. But if you can't, so it is very important for you कि आप पहले उस चीज की रियल लाइफ सिनेरियोज में प्रैक्टिस करो. दैट मीन्स लाइक मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स या कलीग्स जो भी आपके साथ आ सकते हैं, उनके साथ वो चीजें बिफोर हैंड प्रैक्टिस करो. जस्ट अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी कल प्रेजेंटेशन है, राइट? सो बिफोर हैंड you just practice with your group like आप कैसे presentation start करोगे, 2-3 lines for that. Then all the pointers you should have on your hand, like these 4-5 points I'm going to present. Around this I'll be explaining the things. So practice that 4 to 5 times at least before going to the final presentation that day. And see your confidence on the final day, man. You like feel a difference in that thing. It's often said like practice makes man perfect. But even then, we don't do it, right? But it's very important if you want to make yourself more confident, if you want that people should actually consider you something, right? You're not someone like, ठीक है presentation नहीं देनी है जाके, कोई नहीं. So what? That makes your image, right? If that matters for you, you want to appear more confident, authentic in front of your colleagues, in front of the business professionals, then this is what you have to do. नहीं तो फिर ठीक है, it's going on, चलने दो, right? That's the second part. And finally, let's move to the third tip, and this is my favorite as well, and what I used to do often. So वो है कि active listening and note taking. So what do I mean, right? So you know what happened like here as well in Canada now, as I am here for like 1 year almost. So I always try to find such events जहाँ पे networking के options हो, right? So obviously there are different fields, different companies होती हैं वहाँ पे. I have like no prior knowledge to that field or that sector. But what do I do there is I just go there to see how the things work. लोग कैसे present करते हैं, क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं, so that you get to know an idea of those things. And obviously they're gonna use different words, phrases, उनके अपने jargons होंगे and whatever. So I listen actively to that. कि what is that person saying? And obviously I don't know many of those things, but I take a note of that and then I search on those things कि इस चीज का क्या meaning था. So that is the meaning to active listening and note taking. Because obviously there are gonna be so many instances like you go somewhere, you're attending that meeting or anything, so and you'll be like, यार ये बोल क्या रहे हैं, I even don't understand. So that doesn't mean you just need to ignore it. If you actually wanna learn, just listen actively and take note of those things. Okay, this is the word he used, this phrase was used, or क्या बोला उसने मतलब, and then try searching for that. And this is gonna increase your knowledge definitely. And जितना आप सीखोगे यार, that is going to boost your confidence at all, right? So that is how you can build confidence and you can make yourself stand up among other people. So you should definitely like implement the step. From my personal life, that's what I'm telling you. And number 4 tip, again, that is related to this thing, and that's what I have been doing as well, that is networking. So here in Canada, again, there are like a number of opportunities where you can go for networking events, right? आप online ढूंढोगे अपने around, so you will get to know, okay, this event is taking place here, this is taking place there. So just go for those events. It's not necessary कि आपको उस चीज की पूरी knowledge होनी चाहिए पहले, then only like you should go there. Because obviously, I just remember there was one of the company that was related to something oil and mining. So that didn't like resonate with me because मुझे इस sector का कुछ भी नहीं पता. But I went for that event, right? And whatever they were presenting, I was just listening कि ठीक है, कुछ तो पता चलेगा, something I'll get to know from that कि okay, लोग कैसे present करते हैं business meetings में, how they interact with the the people there, how people interact with each other, जो अपने different companies हैं वो खुद आते हुए like यहाँ पे they bring their business cards, they exchange that. So that is how you get to know कि कैसे business world काम करता है. So I just go there and I network with the people. I am confident enough, okay, that I can speak to people. And that is only possible if you expose yourself to such things. ये inborn नहीं होता, ये like you have to build these things, right? So if you want to grow, you should definitely search for the networking opportunities. Offline नहीं है तो online करो. LinkedIn is there, right? There are so many other groups and forums where you can join in, where you can interact with the people and you can build relationships. Because network is net worth. Again, we have heard of, but we don't do it. So just go for it, man. That's it. And the last tip for this video is to use technology and online resources. So ChatGPT is very famous nowadays, right? So again, as we mentioned about the previous points, like note taking, अगर आपको कोई language, कोई slang नहीं समझ आ रही किसी की, so just go to ChatGPT, ask it to explain you with examples. Everything it is going to explain you in a very proper and detailed manner. But it's only possible if you know how to ask it, right? So if you want to learn something, you also need to ask the right questions. So अगर आप ChatGPT से भी सही तरह से पूछोगे ना, it is definitely going to give you answer in detail. So obviously that is related to this point, because अगर आपको लगता है कि slangs मैं कहाँ Google पे search करूँ, इतनी websites होती हैं, I don't know like which one to click, which is right or wrong. Go to ChatGPT. I know like it can make mistakes, but meanings and overall things वो obviously यार ज़्यादातर सही देता, right? So just go to that, type that slang, this was used in I went to this business meeting, what's the meaning to this, explain me in detail how I can use it in my life or something like that. It is gonna give you in detail. Just go and search for it. उसके अलावा अगेन ऑनलाइन फेसबुक ग्रुप्स होते हैं, लिंक्डइन ग्रुप्स होते हैं. जस्ट जॉइन, नेटवर्क विद द पीपल, and that is how you can build your confidence and you can build your business as well in your coming time. So yeah, this was the last tip for this video, and I hope all of them were definitely valuable. And just implement one at a time. Don't just pick all of them and you're thinking यार कि कुछ हो तो रहा नहीं इसमें. So just pick one at a time, see what results it's bringing, and then move on to the second one and third one and so on. So I hope you found this video helpful and gained something new out of this. Let me know your reviews in the comments below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Now till then, keep growing, keep learning.